Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the factory data reset of your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's move to the topic. If you want to reset your device, like you want to erase all the data from your device, like you want to factory reset your mobile, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can factory reset your device Vivo IQOO 9 Pro. Let's watch the video.